Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So we had quite a bit of volatility earlier today. I have looked at some charts again, looked at the ETH chart as well, communicated that earlier today already on Telegram and Discord to channel members that we have a slight change in microstructure. This is now seen as an unfolding 5-wave pattern to the upside from the 23rd of January low. Here, possibly in a 5-wave move up, which could get one more high to form and complete a larger 3rd wave. Then we should get a larger 4 and 5 and so on. Tomorrow we're going to take a look at the daily chart again. It's basically pretty much what I showed you on the daily chart with some slight changes. All I've really changed is to move this one too. I think I did have it here before and I moved it down here. That's all that's changed, and that basically impacts slightly the support area for the current pullback and the current correction, and it is now between 2,924 and 3,366. Very similar to the support area communicated to you earlier in the previous video, but it's a different microstructure. Therefore the support areas differ slightly, but it made sense to make the change in light of the current pullback. If we zoom in a little bit, first of all, it's important to recognize it's a bullish chart. And it's important also to recognize that probably this pullback, at least in my main interpretation, was only the A wave of a 4th wave. It is possible that this was all of wave 4. Would be a little bit unusual due to the, let's say, sharp nature of the pullback. But can I rule it out? No. So I assume this was ideally only the A wave. We're now going to see a B wave sort of rally, or corrective rally, and then we should get and could get another C wave down to complete this correction in a clearer 3-wave pattern. However, if we get a sustained break above 3,830, basically this swing high from, well, the Tuesday high, that would make me assume already the 4th wave already finished, basically. Yeah? That would be at the moment the alternative. Overall support is between 2,924 and 3,366. And as long as the 2,924 level isn't broken to the downside, we can maintain the perspective of this wave count. And it would suggest that a 5th wave to the upside is still due. In terms of target for the 5th wave, I can't really give you a target yet because I don't have clear evidence that the 4th wave bottomed. But let's just assume it has bottomed. Then at least we can use these levels for a little bit of orientation. And we would then be looking at the area between 3,989 and 4,562 next. It's the area between the 38.2 and the 61.8 extensions. That is an ideal target range for the 5th wave here to the upside. It would, however, only complete the larger 3rd wave. Then we get another 4 and a 5 of a larger 3rd, of a larger 4th. And so we move to all-time highs, right? So it remains my perspective that this is quite a bullish chart. And yeah, I mean, it's possible wave 4 is already over, but due to the sharp decline, I would prefer that this was only the A wave. We will probably know more over the coming sessions. Please be aware that a 4th wave can also unfold as a triangle pattern. We sometimes get overshooting B waves, especially in 4th waves. That means we would see a brief break above the Tuesday high, then followed by another correction or a test of the support area. That can happen, especially in 4th wave. 4th waves, it would not be uncommon. Yeah. So just some general, education here about 4th waves, very important, because 4th waves can be really tricky. They can trick you into thinking that we're already in the 5th wave to the upside. But actually it's just a high B wave pattern, which makes trading off 4th waves so difficult. Mainly, it is important to understand where is the support region and do the bulls turn up before we break below support. At the moment, I'm still leaning towards higher prices as per previous updates. That's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.